Just go with it. Just go with it. And take a look at the camera here, and you can see what knots are on.
The camera's already sees this, right?
Yeah, the camera. That's what the camera sees. So, can you see this lens?
I see it.
You can see whether or not you're in it.
I see it.
Are you in it?
I'm in it.
Okay.
All right. I am new at this. It's my first day doing it, but this is some bad stuff. It's really awesome. I am a licensed plumber, and I love it. Now, cleaning it, spray it down. Go back. Voila. It's fresh. It's nice. You get all the mildews. It actually, you know, but I mean, look at this. This concrete look like it's freshly been poured. And years from now, this spot will still be here. I love it. I love it. You don't have to use that much. That's all you need to use. If you're gonna do your concrete, go ahead and get your nozzle spray bottle, hook it up, wet it down, and push broom brush, as you would use at warehouses and shop, you know, scrub it, pressure wash it off, smooth, like you just poured your concrete. I love it. Let me go ahead and give you another demonstration. I'll make it a little bigger this time. There it is. There it is. Shows proof is in the pudding, as the old school people would say. Proof is in the pudding. Environmental safe. It's biodegradable, industrial strength. All you need to use. And do you see the list of all the different things it cleans? It's pretty much nothing. Pretty much nothing it can't clean. I've seen it with my own eyes, and this is my first day, and I'm witnessing it myself. It's amazing stuff. Buy it. Buy it. America, don't be fooled by those commercials at Walmart. Buy this, it cleans it, it does this, it does that. And you're buying different bottles and different sprays for different things when you can just get it in one package. Tuff-It stuff. Been out since 2010. It's really good. I guarantee it. And one more demonstration. And this all this is the mildew. This is mildew. Look at that. I mean, just look at this spot. Look at all that. And once it dries, you see it completely on how it cleans. This concrete's fresh, very fresh. Your rims on your car break dust. It's people who like to keep their cars clean. It's the worst enemy on your cars. But guess what? It's your best friend. Keeps your wheels shiny. It don't scratch them, it don't mess them up, it don't deteriorate the colors or nothing like that. I use it on my car and it's awesome.